Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automate support queries with AI assistant for tech companies. So I run a tech company and want to use an AI assistant to handle customer support queries, providing solutions for technical issues instantly via WhatsApp. And my AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of my business. So firstly, in this video, we are going to create an AI agent. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can create an AI assistant for supporting queries for the tech companies. So right before you on my screen, you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and now I am going to show you how you can create an AI assistant like this for your business. So this AI assistant is going to fetch the data from the knowledge base I have created. So this is the knowledge base I have created, and this knowledge base contains details of my business. Now, as soon as someone will type any query, my AI assistant is going to fetch the details from this knowledge base and provide details to my clients or the customers. And this AI assistant is going to respond even when you are unavailable or busy. So now I am going to show you how you can create your own AI assistant for your business. But before that, I am going to show you the real working demo of this AI assistant. For that, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to enter a message over here and send to the number that is saved as test number, and this number is already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here I am going to enter a message that is, hey, I need help. So now let's type this message over here, and here I am going to enter this message. Now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant to check its proper working. So here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which says, I am here to help. What do you need assistance with? Feel free to share the details. Now I am going to enter another question for my AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question which says, provide me the services you offer. And here as I have entered this message that is, provide me the services you offer, my AI assistant is responding to me with some of the services offered. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this another question that is, provide me the plans you offer. And here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which contains some of the support plans. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this another question that is, how can I activate your pro support plan? And here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which contains the steps to activate the pro support plan. So here our AI assistant is responding correctly, and this is the way an AI assistant works. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for reducing your manual workload. Now for creating this AI assistant, you just have to access Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers gathers to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. So if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to Pabbly Chatflow without wasting time, and here I am going to simply click over the sign in as I already have an account on Pabbly. And as you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And here as we are going to create an AI assistant, we just have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app. Now for accessing this Pabbly Chatflow app, you simply have to click over the access now button, and as you will click on access now button, you will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And as you will sign up your account for free on the Pabbly Chatflow, you will be getting 100 free credits every month for practicing this Pabbly Chatflow. And on the dashboard page, you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and you can also also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and on this add WhatsApp number button you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this manual token connect. Now on the sidebar you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant which we are going to create now, activity log, settings, get help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find link in the description given below. Now if you wish to create your own folder, you can simply click over this create a new folder button and create your own folder. And now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we simply have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar, and as you will click on the AI assistant, you will be getting this AI assistant page, and here you can see these are the AI assistants I have created. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and you will be getting a dialog box where you have to provide a name to your assistant. Now here I am going to provide a name to my assistant, that is InstaFix, and this is the name of my brand, the name InstaFix AI. Now we simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and we will be landed to the assistant page, and here you can see somewhat my AI assistant looks like this. And on this AI assistant page you can see we are getting the AI instructions, and on this AI instruction section it is asking me to select the instruction type. So from here you can select the instruction type. So if you wish to select the custom prompt, you can simply select it and you will be getting the prompt instructions. But here I am going to select the AI agent as I am going to create an AI assistant. You can also select another instruction type such as customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, and futuristic fashion advisor. But here I am going to select this AI agent, and here as I've selected the instruction type, I am getting some of the instruction. So if you wish to add your own instruction, you can also add it over here. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for AI configuration, and on this AI configuration we are getting the option for temperature. So now you might be wondering what is this temperature doing over here. So here temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. Now as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5. Now moving on further, it is asking me to select the AI to use. So here I am going to select the AI, that is OpenAI. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the model. So I will be selecting the model, that is GPT-4o mini. You can select model according to you. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for API key. So now you might be thinking from where we can get this API key. So for getting the API key, you just have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting the API key, we just have to visit this OpenAI API's key page, and here as I have selected the OpenAI API's key page, I am getting this page, and on this page you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting a dialog box where you have to provide a name and the project name, and simply click over this create secret key button, and your API key is ready. But I already have an API token, so I will be just pasting it over here, and after that we simply have to click over this connect button for connecting this API key, and here you can see we are getting this pop-up which means we have successfully connected our API key. Now further we are getting the option for AI assistant settings. So from here you can manage some of the AI assistant settings such as header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, fallback message. So if you want to provide header message, you just have to enable it and enter the header message over here, and if you wish to provide the footer message, you just have to enable it and enter the footer message. Now further we are getting the option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the keywords that user can enter to stop the AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as someone types stop. Now I am going to type this stop keyword, that is stop, and press the enter key, and here our stop keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will type the stop, our AI assistant will be stopped. But here I am going to just keep it as disable over here, and afterwards we are getting the option for retry attempt. So retry retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. But here I am going to just keep it as disable, and afterwards we are getting the option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can provide fallback message according to you. So here we are done with the AI instruction. Now let's manage our knowledge source. So on this knowledge source we are going to provide the knowledge base which contains the details of the business, and by using which our AI assistant is going to provide details to your clients or the customers. So here we have to upload our knowledge base. So for uploading the knowledge base, you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted in .txt or .pdf, and for .pdf we have a limitation that if .pdf contains any image, the page is limited to only 10. And here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created, and now I am going to upload this knowledge base over the AI assistant. Now for uploading it, firstly we have to download it in .txt or .pdf format, and now for downloading it we just have to go to the files, and on the files you can see we are getting the option for download. So you just have to select it, and on this download section you can see we are getting the option for .pdf or .txt. So you just have to select the file format and download your file, but I have already downloaded my file, so I will be just uploading it here by choosing this button, that is choose or drag a file here. And as I have selected this button, I have landed to my download section, and on the download section you can see I am getting this file, that is InstaFix. So I am going to just select this file over here, and here my file has been uploaded, and we are getting this pop-up that is file uploaded and processed successfully. And as we have uploaded the file, I am getting this name and vector ID. So here we have uploaded a knowledge base, and we are done with the knowledge source. Now let's configure this assistant interface, and on the assistant interface section I am getting option for entering the header display or heading name. So on the header display or heading name I am going to provide my brand name, that is InstaFix, and this heading name is going to appear over the preview of your chatbot as a heading name, and this is appearing over the preview of your chatbot which you can see. Now further we are getting the option for header display subheading name, and we are already getting a subheading, that is we are online and happy to assist you, and this subheading name is appearing over the header section as a subheading name on the preview of your chatbot. Now further we are getting the option for initial message, and we are already getting an initial message, and this initial message is appearing over the preview of your chatbot. Now let's say I am going to enter one more initial message, that is hello. So for that you simply have to type the initial message and press the enter key, and this initial message is appearing over the preview of your chatbot which you can clearly see. But you have to remember one point, that you can create only 2 initial message. So for that I am going to remove this initial message which I have recently created, and here we are getting only 1 initial message, and afterwards we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display the powered by Pabbly label, you can simply enable it, but now I am going to show you how you can disable it. So for that you simply have to click over the disable, and here you can see the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but here I am going to keep it as enable, and here as I've selected the enable, the powered by Pabbly label has been appeared again. Now further we are getting the option for footer text. So if you want to provide any footer text, you can provide it over here, and we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which is appearing over the footer section of the preview of your chatbot. Now further we are getting the option for footer link. So if you want to provide any footer link, you can provide it over here, and afterwards we are getting the option for users first message, and we are already getting a users first message, that is I need help, and here the users first message is the message which will be displayed in WhatsApp as an initial message from the user. But here I am going to convert this users first message as hey I need help. So here we are done with the users first message also. Now let's move on further and provide styling to our AI assistant to customize its visual appearance. So on the styling section you can see we are getting the option for selecting the theme mode. So from here you can select the theme mode, which is already selected as light. Now let's convert it as dark over here, and as we have selected the dark, you can see the preview of your chatbot has been changed in dark theme mode, and here I am going to keep it as light over here, but you can choose it according to you. Now further we are getting the option for assistant shape, and here we are getting 3 assistant shape, that is circle, square and rounded square, and here it is already selected a circle, and I am going to keep it as the same. Now further we are getting some of the properties for which we can change the coloring of the chatbot. So if you want to change the coloring of any property of your chatbot, you simply have to select the color from here. Now let's say I am going to change the property of this assistant background color. So let's select this another color, and here you can see on the preview the color has been changed. So you can also select the coloring for another properties also. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. So if you want to add any kind of these profiles, you can add it over here. So here we are done with the styling of our AI assistant, and our AI assistant has been created. Now we just have to activate it. Now for activating this AI assistant, we simply have to enable this button, and here our AI assistant has been activated. Now for saving this AI assistant, we simply have to click over the save AI assistant button, and we will be getting the pop-up, which means we have successfully saved our AI assistant. Now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over this embed button, and you will be getting a script code. Now you just have to paste the script code over your business, and AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So this is the way you can create an AI assistant. And now I am going to show you how you can activate the AI assistant for any chats. So for that, you simply have to move to inbox given on the sidebar, and as you will click on inbox, you will be landed to the inbox page, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. And for this particular number, you can see we are getting the option for choose AI assistant. So you just have to enable it, and you will be getting a dialog box where you have to choose the AI assistant which you want to activate for this chat. So here I am going to activate my AI assistant which I have recently created, that is InstaFix AI. So let's select it, and after that we simply have to click over the save button for enabling our AI assistant, and here our AI assistant has been enabled successfully. Now let's move on to my WhatsApp for testing this AI assistant. So let's move on to my WhatsApp, and now let's firstly clear our previous chat, and now I am going to enter my user's first message, that is hey I need help, and after that I am going to enter this message, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which says, of course I am here to help, what issue are you experiencing? Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question, that is how can I maintain my account security? Now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message. Now let's check whether is this the data I have provided over the knowledge base or not. So for that, let's move on to my knowledge base, and here you can see I am getting the same data which I have provided over my knowledge base, and this shows that my AI assistant is responding to me correctly, and this is the way an AI assistant works and can be created. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for creating many more amazing AI assistants like this, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations like this. Thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.